everything they ordered, see, with them had just about one they get up there. Dove shoot. Yeah.
Look, Gwen. I'm gonna have to shoot me and you, Mike. Shit, I missed him sitting still. He's still sitting still.
Just stop. Where'd you stop at?
I hit him, man. He's hit. You need to kill him. I see him.
Mr. Gwynn's out there.
I got it.
Hey, Mike.
One more rabbit down. They brought him right on back to us. Those dogs did good.
How many shots did it take?
It took us about 6 total. I used up 3.
Oh, sharpshooter Mike Smith and Michael Smith.
We're gonna have to run a magnet over him before we can cook him, I believe.
Hey. 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 Now they took him all the way to where he lay then.
Yeah. Hit. Oh, cottontail. Dead. Foggy. Come on, bud. Come on, bud.
That's what it's about right there, ain't it?
That's what it's about.
No wood, and he needs to be way ahead of it.
Here's our hunting dogs. I think they're getting a little warm. Temperature's getting up today. Late January, and the temperature is going to be up about 75 degrees today, so getting up on in the morning a little bit, and these dogs are getting a little hot. They done had several good races and look like they're enjoying this water right now. Good old rabbit hunt.